So today is day 28, and we had the flooring delivered and the carpet, so it's sitting there waiting for the carpet guys and the floor guys that should be here Monday. We got most of the door hardware on. We're missing a few doorknobs. Either we got shorted when we ordered or we didn't order enough. But most of this is back together. It is slowly but surely getting there. That microwave has been trimmed out. Either later tomorrow, I think we'll put that metal plate back in, the backsplash, and clean that up. The laundry room is in pretty good shape. We did fix that valve and get an access panel in there. We got to clean up around that metal, but the valve is fixed. It is no longer leaking. So that's in good shape. Again, doorknobs. We haven't gotten these on yet. We need special double-sided screws, but we'll get those or cut them and make them. Let's turn on some lights. Well, the other thing that we got done is we did get this new countertop in. Now, this is by far not my favorite color, but the new countertop is in. The new sink is in. The new faucet. We're gonna test it and everything tomorrow after everything sets, but that is in. The mirror's not back up, still sitting in the tub, but I expect the new lights there. The vent's back up, a new light here. Yes, the new light there. So it's getting there. Most of the lights are in, the doorknobs are in. Almost everything is back. The vents are back to where they need to be. New door knob there. It is definitely getting there. Still having a hard time finding a globe that will fit that fan, so if I can't find it, unfortunately I'm going to have to tear that fan down and put up a new light fixture or a new fan. In here, we're pretty well done in here. We're still missing a light fixture, but our guys did put bulbs into both of these lights, so all the bulbs are new. So it's getting there. We did put the new shower head there. I had a problem with the shower body, but the head is there and it looks a lot better than the old one. If you look in the older video, you'll see how much nicer that looks. The fan cover's on, so we're still missing a light fixture here. It was ordered. Should be here maybe tomorrow. Anyways, that's where we are. We just did a bunch of knit-nat stuff. We also got a bunch of mulch delivered that you can see getting ready for the landscape. We're not ready yet, but the mulch was on sale, so we bought it. And that's really it for today. Just a bunch of little stuff here and there. We still got to do the doorknobs here, but we will do that almost last, so nobody has the keys. I think that's about it. We'll give you another update, another day or so. Hopefully tomorrow, but if not the next day. But as you can see, the cabinets are repainted. They look 100% better. We actually had to cut them, shave them, and adjust them and everything, but still a few dings here and there that we'll touch up. But overall, they are much, much better. As you can see, they look a world better. This cabinet still needs its handles, but again, that was painted and looks good. We need a plate cover there, but I need a white one. It's the only white one in the house, so I have to get a white one for that, so it matches that back. Anyways, that's it.